Dr. David, I've had a lot of crowns done over my life, and would I be a candidate for the D5 procedure based on that?
Well, that's a good question. So there's been a paradigm shift in when we consider doing an implant-supported restoration or recrowning teeth. If you came to my office in the 80s or the 90s, especially the 80s before implants came out, we would do everything possible to keep you from wearing a full denture because, again, a full denture chews with about 25% of the force of real teeth. So a lot of times with the informed consent of the patient, I've done many full mouth reconstructions on really shaky foundation, which means the patient had 40% bone loss on the teeth. There was a lot of decay under the old crowns, and so we would do super heroic dentistry, even if we could only keep the patient maybe out of a denture 5 to 7 years, because it was important to the patient to be able to eat apples and foods like that. Now with implants, if we get a patient now, and we get plenty of patients for the D5, they come in for a consult, they'll tell me they've had almost all their teeth crowned almost 3 times. They've had root canals done over many times, and now they went to an office and now they've got decay under multiple crowns again. So, and then when I'm looking at the x-ray, maybe they have 30 or 40% bone loss. So the advantage of the D5 is that we're going to give you ceramic teeth, but instead of coming back and putting multiple crowns over shaky roots and foundations with not enough bone, if we can put dental implants in, now we want a really good sound foundation, and then we're coming back and then we're giving you still permanent teeth, but instead of having permanent teeth and spending a lot of money for the 3rd or 4th time over a shaky foundation, we have an incredibly strong foundation with the D5 with implants that directly fuse to bone. Now we have a restoration that could possibly last you for decades, or maybe even the rest of your life, depending on how you take care of it, and it's a lot wiser investment of your funds.